Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks. Are you going to school today?
Yes, I am. What about you?
Me too. Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did.
Great job. What are you eating?
I'm eating rice and vegetables.
It looks delicious. It's very hot today.
Yes, it is.
Let's drink some water. What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm going to visit my grandparents.
Have a great time. Do you want to play cricket?
Sure. Let's go.
I will get the bat. What are you watching?
I'm watching a cartoon.
Can I watch with you? Can you help me?
Of course. What's the problem?
Thank you so much. I have to go now.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.